Hey guys, what's going on? Amy here. So today is my time to unboxing and review after installing the accessories for my phones. And so, without further ado, let's get started. Some I bought from the Shopee and some of them I bought from the shop. So here's the accessories for my phones, case and the cable as well, the tempered glass, and now the after arrangement, very clean. So I'm going to show you one by one, starting from the cable until the tempered glass. This is my brand new with very cheap price, a USB 3.0 cable type for the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 as well as the Galaxy S5 support. As you can see, it has a dual of connector, so it's different than the normal USB cable. Look at the side, the box. As you can see, it costs about 3 ringgit only. It is very cheap. Very nice. Let's unbox. This is the cable, brand new. As you can see, the normal USB cable for Android is like this, without this another one. It's like this, but this one is a bit different. You can see, this one is normal. The iPhone 4 clear case with side bump. So here's the case. It has a this dot to protect the back dust. A bit yellowish, but it's okay. A clear case for my Samsung Galaxy S7 with bump side as well. Very slim, because at the side it has a H screen. The iPhone 7 TPO case, grey color. So this is the case with autofocus, ultimate experience. Very nice. Very nice finishing. It costs about 5 ringgit only. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 red case, same designs like my F7 TPO case, but only different is red color. This is the case, same price, very good quality. A Samsung Galaxy A30 transparent iPacky case. Here's the case. I need to clean it later, but still nice. The Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, my favorite case. Here's the case, but as you can see at the side, it is very slim compared to my Galaxy Note 8. Same design, everything same quality, but my Note 8 is quite big for the side. But compared to my S7 Edge, it is very slim, but at least the quality is very good. Very nice. The tempered glass for the Galaxy J2 Prime or the Galaxy Grand Prime Samsung. The installation guide. The wipes and the dry. And this is the almost full covered clear tempered glass without black border at the side. But only issue for me is the below of the home button is not covered. I really like with like this, but never mind. So that's it for the showing you one by one. Before we proceed to installing on my device, I'm going to show you my device first before I install everything on my phones. My Samsung Galaxy Note 8, iPhone 4S, iPhone 7, Galaxy A30, Galaxy S7H, and the last one, Galaxy Grand Prime. So the arrange before installing on them. Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime before installing. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 before installing. iPhone 4S before installing. iPhone 7 before installing. Galaxy A30 before installing. Galaxy S7H before installing. Alright, so after this I'm going to show you with after installing. And we're done installing everything on my phones, so I'm going to show you one by one. My iPhone 7 looks very nice. Wow, very cool design. Samsung Galaxy A30, wow, very nice. And 4S, clear case, wow, nice. Everything good, without problem. Even I know this case is quite old and it's still perfect after installing. Galaxy Note 8, wow, black and red, really match, nice. Galaxy Grand Prime, tempered glass has been replaced to the clear one, looks very nice. Like I said just now, only this issue, but it's okay. And other than that, everything well. Very easy to install, no bubble at all, as you can see, very clear. And the last one, the S7H, I'm sorry, quite dirty. And yeah, wow, same case like this, my Note 8. It match on this phone, no problem at all. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my unboxing and review after installing everything on my phone in the comment below for the accessories. And so, that's all from me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.